Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly called Sunday Igboho, has been arrested by security operatives in Cotonou, Benin Republic. Punch newspaper reports that Igboho was arrested at the Cotonou Kajeon airport by Beninois security officials Monday night and will be repatriated to Nigeria on Tuesday. The Yoruba rights activist arrest is coming 3 days after the Nigerian government raised high alert that Igboho was planning to leave Nigeria, and 3 weeks after his residence in Soka Ibadan was raided by operatives of the Department of State Services (DSS) on Thursday, July 1st, 2021. While the raid lasted, at least 12 of Igboho's aides were arrested, while 2 others were killed. Igboho's media aide, Olayomi Koiki, has at different times debunked the DSS reports that the Yoruba rights activist was stockpiling arms, saying it is a ploy to nail his boss. Sunday Igboho's arrest is coming few weeks after the arrest and repatriation of leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, to Nigeria, to answer to charges of treason, among others. Kindly like this video and others by New Trends Africa. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on various social media platforms at New Trends Africa.
New Trends Africa. Everything trending.